Hello, we are in the window of Section3 and this is my GitHub project. And so now we'll start the section 3. You just click on the section 3 object detection using Section3 and then hit the Section3 tutorials. So we will just follow these tutorials. And this documentation is the details tutorial for this section 3 that is about training our own SSD MobileNet object detection model. And at first, we will need to learn Linux command line basics and learn how to know the wrong command line. Then you follow these tutorials in example amoeba detection to load the dataset, train and evaluate the model, and run inference for the test and the drop. There is a bonus part, but we won't cover it in this section. And now let's start our Linux command line basics. So what you will do just to use the common used Linux command line. Here let's start. So the first command line is the pwd. It just to show current directory. And you just start to type pwd and hit enter. So it will show the current directory we are in. It's the boy collab. And also actually, you can also list all of the folders and files in the boy collab, the current directory. And you will see that it matches with all of the folders in the down below the window. And then you can also make a directory by writing mkdir. So it will make a directory called whatever name after that in the current directory. So if we type mkdir, we can make it hello. So we create a hello folder in the current directory. We can also use ls to show all of the folders. You will see that there's a hello folder created. You can also see there's a hello folder down below. Okay. You can also use the rm to remove that folder, that directory. So just type rm-r-hello and it will remove the hello. Okay, and then another important command line is the cd. So it's it means change directory to the dir after that cd. So we can see that we can go to the directory of Jetson inference. You just type cd and the Jetson inference -inference is exactly the same name with what we want to go. You hit enter, you will see that the current directory we are in is the Jetson inference. That's the cd, and you can also list all of the folders and files inside the Jetson inference. You can click it in the window. You will see that it's the same with all of the folders and files inside the Jetson inference. You can also type cd and go to Python and hit enter. So right now we are in the Python Python folder. You can also move on. See what kind of folders in there and move on by typing cd training and list all of the files inside the ls. We can see that we will use the object detection. The detection folder actually is inside the training. You can also type cd ... to go back its parent folder, and the cd ... again. And finally, you will go back to our boy collab directory. Okay, here is the command line cd means change the directory. Another one is tab. It's in your keyboard, this tab. It means it will fill out the command line automatically. So if you type cd and GE and you just hit tab, and it will fill out the command line automatically for you. It will save us a lot of time. Okay. And then let's cd back. We will type clear. So the clear is to clear all command line in the current window.